Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of the Polka square. If you're here, it's likely that you've already seen part 1, which was making the polka square, which is the centre part of this square you can see on the screen now. As you know, each week we like to bring you a larger square, and when one of our team members was making this square up, using worsted weight yarn and a 5mm hook, which I know is a common hook size and yarn weight for a lot of you to use, it came up more than 6 inches, and so there was a decision made to make the square larger. And our team member contacted Karin from Virklust, who designed the square, and Karin liked what she'd done with it, so we decided that that's what we would do. We would have this as one of our larger squares instead of our smaller square, and bring it to you on this Friday. So if you have our file from the Facebook group, a link to that is in the description below. If you have a copy of the file, you will see that it shows you 2 different ways suggested for enlarging the square. Now that's to either repeat rounds 7 to 13 or to repeat rounds 9 to 13, but to do it twice. Now you will see on the screen any moment now, there will be 2 photos, and it will show you version 1 and version 2. So as you can see here, version 1 is rounds 7 to 13 repeated the 1 time, and version 2 is rounds 9 to 13 but repeated twice. Now the best thing for you to do is to have a measure of those particular rounds and see how wide it is, and decide how much more you need on your small square to make it to a bigger square. So have a bit of a measure, and also have a look at which look you prefer, and then make your decision on which version you prefer. And then all you have to do is, once this video has finished, is go back to the first video and do those rounds. So rounds 7 to 13 or rounds 9 to 13 twice. So for the rest of the video, you will see photos of my square, which I chose to use version 2. So there are just photos for you to see as my square grows and how it will look as you go along. So there is no more tutorial in this video. Decide which version you prefer and go back to the original and follow those rounds. In the description box below the video, there are timestamps for you to find the round that you need. So just have a look in that and click on whichever round you need, and it will take you to that place in the video, which should make it a lot easier for you. So have fun, enjoy making your square bigger. Also enjoy having your square as a really cute smaller square as well. So whatever you're doing with it, just have fun and enjoy. And once again, thank you so much to Karin at Virklust for allowing us to film a tutorial for this square, and for showing some enlarging of it as well. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Just keep hooking and don't let your tea get cold.